Okusharamu kugira ngu ekereziya ejaguze ekiro ky'abajulizi aha bwago nikijaho bwanyuma ya gavumenti kwemereza emikoro y'ekiro eki ahari Namugongo bwanyuma y'okubarukaho ekirwaire kya Ebola omu ihanga. Dayosisi ya Kasese niyo ebaire neija kutebeekanisa emikoro y'abajulizi aha b'omwaka ogu.
We shall have at the Catholic Church parish-based celebrations. Parish-based celebrations. That is to mean not that all the parishes will gather in one place, but we shall hold Uganda Matters celebrations in all our churches on 3rd June 2026.
Father Quirinus Kibira Kambare Bishop wa Dayosisi ya Kasese nashaba bikiriza okukuratira engenderwaho oteireho n'ekitongore ky'ebyamagara okwerinda kukwatwa endwara ya Ebola ari kugira ngu okwerinda n'ekikuru.
In our schools, in our churches, in our parishes, let us do our best to observe the standard operating procedures as provided for by the government through the Ministry of Health.
N'obudayosisi ya Kasese eferirwe omu kishago gw'okutebeekanisa okujaguza kw'ekiro ky'abajulizi omwaka ogu. Father John Baptist Kure obeire akuriire akakiiko akabaire nikatebeekanisiza ekiro eki nagira ngu Kasese etungire okumanyisibwa kuniyo hoona nabwe erateekateeke n'okwebembera emikoro y'omwaka ogurikwija.
The good thing is that the Episcopal Conference has requested that we animate next year, so that is good.
Oguhoona nayongera ashaba abantu ogumizamu nibashagika obureeberezi obu abembenda kuheereza dayosisi omu kwetebeekanisiza emikoro ey'omwaka ogurikwija.
I still call upon all the people, all the stakeholders who have been assisting us in all aspects during these preparations, that when we are settled, we shall again come back to you so that we begin again a journey, because 3rd June 2027 is not far.
Abebembeza b'ekereziya batari bamwe na bamwe na hati nibagira ngu abantu boona okuba abeegendesereza omu kurwanisa okujanjara kw'ekirwaire kya Ebola.
Omubiribwa tukabasaba tuhirye amaani okwabirayeero ebyo gavumenti yabirituheererye erienderako turwanisa y'obulere buno itubose hawuma tuleke ndira mwerenkana tusibuleho omudini politiki ndiyo mama kunigonda akatusoborera ende tubusi tukanza eriburanisha bulobire rwanisha betu bukalire eritambira kwa maberyasa.
Omu kubarukaho kw'endwara ya Ebola kuresireho emikoro etari emwe n'emwe kwemeresibwa omu rurengo rw'ihanga hamwe n'abo ab'omu za disitulikiti eziri aha nsharo ya Uganda na Democratic Republic of Congo, kandi abahango omu by'amagara nibeekiriza ngu abantu bakuratire obuhabuzi bw'abakugu kureba bamaraho okujanjara kw'ekirwaire kya Ebola kandi bakureba bakubagambira nikiija kukyendera. Amakuru aga gashakwa Isaac Mate.